Welcome to RoboRails&Tails. Today was another early start. We ventured to Paignton train station for the first train of the day coming in and leaving the station. This was the Class 166 to Exmouth. It left at 5:57 a.m. That's so early! The driver even sounded the horn, which I really enjoyed. Did you know the Class 166 was designed as a faster, air-conditioned variant of the Class 165 turbo? Since 2017, the Class 166 operates on the local and regional line. Hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.